is led forward by the ever-widening thought and action into that heaven of freedom, my here. On behalf of St. Luke's School, I, Dalbir Kaur, take the privilege to extend a hearty welcome to our chief guest, Father Ajay Sunil Karketa and Father Suresh Karketa, along with our Reverend Father Anil Kujur.
Our school is fortunate enough to have Reverend Father Ajay Sunil Karketa, Chancellor of Catholic Diocese Sambalpur. Today we are blessed with another special guest with us, Father Suresh Karketa, the Director of Sambalpur Mission.
Our school Deputy Prime Minister Ranagini Panigrahi to offer a short prayer.
We pray for open hearts and minds to receive your plans and purposes. May we be sensitive to your leading and obedient to your will. We pray that you would open our eyes to every aspect of the ceremony. May your Spirit guide us in making wise decisions and lead us towards the best.
The Parliament provides an opportunity to involve students in democratic process and decision making within the school. Democratic way to demonstrate the importance of representative and active involvement in school community.
कैबिनेट मिनिस्टर सावधान। कैबिनेट मिनिस्टर सदन से शुरू करेंगे। शुरू कर।
Leading the Education Minister Abhay Parhi, Deputy Minister Larissa Mahanti, Cultural Minister Srijal Rao, Deputy Cultural Minister Ankita Prasad, Health Minister Monalisa Jaina, Deputy Health Minister Shripanta Deep, Sports Minister Ashish Tirti, Deputy Sports Minister Shreyansi, Discipline Minister Ayush Mahapatra, Deputy Leader Vidushi Kumar. We have four prefects with us: Lakshita Bhanekar, Partha Sarani, Arpita Mishra, and Ishan Lama. The head girl Divya Sharma receives the badge.
You come later to
Minister Panigrahi. Shreyansi Panigrahi, the Deputy Sports Minister. Deputy Health Minister Shribanta D. Deputy Health Minister. Next we have the Deputy Cultural Minister, Ankita Prasad, Deputy Cultural Minister. Deputy Education Minister, Larisha Mahanti. I would like to thank Cabinet team. Now they have won the duties and responsibilities after getting the bachelor's and classes. I hope that they will abide by their duties with honesty. I would now request our Honorable Chief Guest to hand over the school flag to the head girl, Divya Sharma. I,
Ranjan Padi, Srijal Rao, Monalisa Jena,
आशीष तिर्के, आयुष महापात्र,
Jageshwar Bagarti,
अनुराज डुंगडुंग,
Devanshi Pradhan, Lakshita Bhandekar,
पार्थसारथी सेठ,
Larisha Mohanty, Ankita Prasad Gupta,
जिगोतो दीप,
Sriyanshi Panirahi, Joya Beti Thapa,
मनवीर सिंह,
Vidushi Kambhar, Alpita Mishra,
ईशान लामा,
solemnly promise to serve my school community with integrity, dedication, and passion. As a member of the school cabinet,
As a member of the school cabinet,
I vow to listen to the voices and ideas of my fellow students. Work collaboratively with my peers, teachers to achieve our goals. Uphold the value of our school and promote a positive school culture. Be transparent, accountable, and responsible in my action and decision. Strive for excellence and innovation in all that I do. Represent our school with pride and respect. I promise to carry out my duties to the best of my ability with honesty, empathy, and fairness. I will work tirelessly to make our school a better place for all students. And I will always put the needs of our school community first.
I solemnly promise to serve my school community with integrity, dedication, and passion. As a member of the school cabinet, I vow to listen to the voices and ideas of my fellow students, work collaboratively with my peers and teachers to achieve our goals. Uphold the values of our school and promote a positive school culture. Be transparent, accountable, and responsible in my actions and decisions. Strive for excellence and innovation in all that I do. Represent our school with pride and respect. I promise empathy and fairness. I will work tirelessly to make our school a better place for all the students. And I will always put the needs of our community first.
namely Nehru, Gandhi, Kalam and Tagore. We too have masters and mistresses, captains and vice captains for the houses. May I request Nehru House Master Mr. Biswajit Das and Mistress Mrs. Pisa Simon to come forward for the collection of their statues. Are requested to kindly come forward and collect your statues. And the fourth one is Tagore House, Mr. Umesh Chandra Behera, the house master, and Miss Kanchan Kewar, the house mistress. Please to come forward and receive the statues. Nehru House Captain Master Durga Prasad Mishra. Next, Gandhi House Master Swastik Raj Panigrahi and Ms. Palak Sharma. It is my privilege to call upon our PET, Mr. Divyaranjan Khandai sir, to please come forward and hand over the house flags to the house masters and mistresses. Mr. Divyaranjan Khandai.
Do hereby pledge that we will carry out all our duties with utmost honesty and sincerity. We will lead our houses with strength, ambition, and perseverance. We pledge that we will be loyal, worthiness. We will be humble in our shortcomings, but never cease to learn how to be better persons. Our duties and represent them with courage and honesty.
I, as the head girl, Divya Sharma, promise to work hard with devotion and sheer determination. I assure you that I will successfully be able to fill my responsibilities. Once again, I would like to thank my management and teachers for their support. Thank you very much.
A warm and grateful morning to our most valued Honorable Chief Guest, Father Ajay Sunil Kerketa, Father Suresh Kerketa, Principal Father Anil, Father Vinod, Sister Siva, Teacher Management Committee members, and my dear friends. It's my privilege to propose a word of thanks and acknowledge the contribution of those who really worked hard to make this investiture ceremony at school. I extend a really heartfelt gratitude to our Chief Guest who spared time from his busy schedule to grace the occasion. Today, we have an opportunity to hear your thoughts which will encourage us to achieve our future endeavors. Thank you.